Hello, it's Michael here with another Onshape tech tip. For Onshape Enterprise, planned reports can be generated by enterprise admins or analytics admins. The best way to do this is to save a customized dashboard using filters. In this case, we want to create a weekly review of releases for a specific project. These reports can be generated automatically at specific times and distributed via email to keep all project meeting participants up to date before the meeting even starts. In this way, Onshape not only helps you to collaborate with others in real time, but also keeps them updated with scheduled reports. Of course, this report can also be shared with other users via the share function, so it can be accessed at any time and is not dependent on the scheduled reporting. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Onshape tech tips.